Stand out in a world where one customizes almost anything to try to stay ahead of the noise and shine its brightest? Change the customs we're accustomed to. Are you, or do you know of, a provider of custom goods such as cars, trucks, boats, RVs, homes, or maybe something more? Do you provide a product so modular and custom you can only sell through your website's designing and ordering center? Maybe a small urban, suburban workshop making who knows what type of art created with repurpose in mind? How about a small mom and pop showcasing their customs in a family shop? Whether you make custom one-of-a-kinds, environmental solar tech, household smart gadgets, nano wearables, to mailed personalized macaroons, count on us for more to see. So, if you're into making and selling custom anything, whatever it may be, then you need to know about a new website just for people like you. It's a revolutionary way for you to showcase all your coolest custom products, designs, services, vehicles, you name it, with the most generous displays allowing up to 20 pictures and 16 videos of your content. We even have a deals section that allows for item, quantity, and date-specific campaigns that expands your reach that much more. Sell as you want, how you want, where you want. It's totally up to you. The name of the website is called Customology, and it gives you your own personal SEO optimizable landing so you can stand out above the noise and get to those new guests as you provide only the best.